Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint to ensure you're always using the latest features and security patches. Keeping PowerPoint updated helps you avoid glitches, improves performance, and gives you access to the newest tools. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You don't need to open a specific file, just launch the program. Now look at the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open the Backstage view where you can access all your settings and options. From the menu on the left, scroll down and click on Account. This section contains information about your PowerPoint version, subscription details, and most importantly, update settings. In the Account section, find the Office Updates area. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. If you see Enable Updates, click on it to make sure automatic updates are turned on. If it's already enabled, select Update Now to manually check for the latest updates. If your PowerPoint is already up to date, you will see a message that says you're up to date along with the current version number. If an update is installed, you may need to restart PowerPoint to analyze the changes. Simply close the program and reopen it to complete the update. If you're using an older version of PowerPoint, or if you don't see the update option, it could mean your Office license is expired. In that case, consider checking your Office subscription or updating to a newer version. That's it. You now know how to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.